In today's fast-paced world, finding the right guidance for ourselves and our children is more important than ever. At RoohulQuran, we bring the sacred online teachings of the Holy Quran right to you, wherever you are in the UK or the USA. Our experienced and certified scholars provide personalized one-on-one and group classes, ensuring every lesson is impactful and engaging. We understand the importance of a safe and interactive learning space. That's why our sessions are designed to be secure, flexible, and suitable for all ages. With flexible scheduling, tailored lessons, and access on any device, learning the Quran has never been more convenient. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied students and parents who have seen real progress and spiritual growth. Start your spiritual journey with RoohulQuran today. Contact us now for a free trial class and experience the difference.